Hi, my name is Valentina Tunja and my group is formed by Sebastián Montoya and Federico Sepúlveda. Today we are going to present a recipe. This is a traditional dessert from Jamaica and the principal ingredient is the mango. The ingredients are 3000 grams of mango, 2 spoonfuls of confectioner's sugar, 2000 grams of heavy cream, and vanilla extract.
Peel the mangoes and cut them into cubes. Sprinkle with sugar glass, which does no cream milk. Add vanilla essence and mix.
Place the whipped cream and the handle in the fridge or refrigerator until the time of serving. Mix the cream and mango chunk carefully and enjoy your cold mango.